Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to introduce you to Fingerspell, an incredible application designed for detecting CB Sign Language Sistem Isyarat Bahasa Indonesia. Fingerspell revolutionizes communication, making it easier for millions of people across Indonesia. Let's dive into why Fingerspell is the ultimate choice for your communication needs. Before we dive into the detail of Fingerspell, I would like to introduce you to our amazing team who have worked tirelessly to bring this innovative solution to life. The first is Ramadhani Putra as mobile development. Second is Andre Marsyandinto as mobile development. Third is Iman Reza Rehan Amantia as cloud computing. Fourth is Lindu Purnama as cloud computing. Fifth is Aprilia Anggraini as machine learning. Sixth is by myself, Rasya Rahman Hakim as machine learning. And last, Fanza Eldanentra as machine learning. Together, this talented group has combined their expertise and passion to create Fingerspell. Now, let's explore why Fingerspell is the ultimate choice for your communication needs. Fingerspell aims to bridge the communication gap for speech-impaired individuals through an innovative app. This app uses advanced machine learning to provide real-time translation between spoken or written language and sign language, specifically CB, Sistem Isyarat Bahasa Indonesia. By doing so, Fingerspell makes communication more accessible and seamless for millions of people.
Reason: Fingerspell's apps are developed for several important reasons, primarily centered around accessibility, communication, education, technological advancement, and social integration. These apps are essential for enabling communication for individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing, bridging the gap between them and those who do not understand sign language. They also assist nonverbal individuals, such as those with autism or who have experienced a stroke, by providing an alternative means of communication in everyday situations and professional environments. These apps are facilitate smoother interactions, whether in public services, retail, workplaces, healthcare, or education. Assisting result. This is an application for helping people communication in sign language. This application aims to help people communicate in sign language. Currently, communicating with deaf individuals is challenging, often requiring formal sign language classes. Our sign language detection app addresses this issue by enhancing social, educational, and accessibility aspects.
Okay, let's talk about machine learning. The first is the dataset. Our machine learning model is trained on a dataset of 2,600 images sourced from Kaggle. This image represents 26 different classes corresponding to the letter of the alphabet sign language. This extensive dataset allows our model to accurately and reliably recognize and translate sign language gesture in real time, ensuring effective and efficient communication for user. The next is our model is built using TensorFlow class and convolutional neural network or CNN to create an effective sign language detection system. The model is trained on a dataset of 2000 uh, 2600 images sourced from Kaggle, representing 26 different classes for each letter of the alphabet sign language. To ensure high accuracy and reliability, the model was trained for 150 epochs. This rigorous train this rigorous training process enables the model to accurately recognize and translate sign language gesture in real time, providing users with a seamless communication experience.
Implementation summary. First, using Android component, we use View Model, MVVM, and repository. Apps architecture, apply a structural and directional visual. Unless other libraries, we use Retrofit, Material Design, TensorFlow Lite, and Coroutines. By leveraging these components and libraries, the Fingerspell apps aim to deliver a robust user experience with solid data management, intuitive navigation, and a cohesive UI design, while harnessing advanced technologies to enhance overall functionality and performance. And the next slide is user experience design. The user interface and user experience design for the Fingerspell apps was created using Figma. Figma allows us to create interactive prototypes quickly and effectively. With real-time collaboration features, we can work together in teams and get direct feedback from users before implementation. This ensures that our designs are not only aesthetic but also intuitive and functional, enhancing the overall user experience.
Now I want to discuss about the cloud computing services. We use service provided by Google Cloud Platform. The service includes several essential components that enable our application to run smoothly and efficiently. For the storage, we use Cloud Storage. Then the database, we use Cloud Firestore. Then for container Docker, we use Cloud Run. Additionally, for application development, we use the framework Express.js. With this combination of services, we can build and manage reliable, scalable, and easy to maintain application.
For the cloud architecture diagram, this includes the CI/CD consisting of GitHub, the source code, the GitHub action to connect to Cloud Build. After that, we start deployment first to container registry. For running the container, we use Cloud Run. The cloud storage interact with Cloud Run to handle requests that involve storing data. The Firebase used for authentication for the register.
Okay, this is final result of our app. The app starts with a splash screen. After that, user must log in to continue. If the user don't have account, they can register to create new account. After creating an account, user can log in to the application and will be directed to the main screen or home, which features several Sing languages they can view on the home screen. This is a button navigation menu for navigation to history and scan menu. If user click on the scan menu, they will enter the scan screen where they can use the camera to capture image of Sing language. Choosing the history menu allow user to view a lot of things language detection they have performed in the past. Okay, if you are interested to exploring our project documentation, feel free to visit our GitHub repository. You will find comprehensive detail about our development process and the future of our application. Okay, next slide. Everyone can use this application and not limited for only disability people. Thank you.
Here is the project timeline for the next 4 months. Here is the estimated budget for our project. So based on the estimated budget, costs Austin $19.5.
Thank you all for your time and attention today. We believe our project holds great potential to enhance communication and accessibility for everyone. Please visit our GitHub repository to explore more about our work. We look forward to your feedback and collaboration as we continue to innovate and improve. Thank you once again for joining us.